In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Elementor template. Whether you're a web designer looking to reuse your work across multiple sites or simply wanting to back up your design for future use, knowing how to export your Elementor templates is an incredibly useful skill. So let's dive right into it. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, as this is where we'll begin our journey. If you're not already familiar with Elementor, it's a powerful page builder plugin that allows you to create beautiful websites without needing to know much about code. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate your way to the Elementor tab found on the left-hand side menu. You might need to scroll down a bit to see it clearly. Now that you've located the Elementor tab, click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select the Templates option. This is where all your saved templates are conveniently stored. Once you've clicked on Templates, you'll see a page populated with all the templates you've created using Elementor. How cool is that? Next, scroll through your list of templates to locate the one you wish to export. If you have a lot of templates, feel free to use the handy search bar at the top of the page to quickly find what you're looking for. This can save you a ton of time, especially if you're like me and tend to create a lot of different designs. Once you've found your desired template, hover over its title. You'll notice a few options appear right below it. Look for the Export Template option in this action menu. It might even be depicted with a download icon, helping you spot it easily. Click on this option. Your computer will then prompt you to download the template file. Choose a location on your device that you will easily remember, perhaps create a dedicated folder for your exported Elementor templates, so you always know just where to find them when you need them. The file will be downloaded in a JSON format, which is a lightweight data interchange format that is easy for machines to parse and generate. It's perfect for what we're doing here since it preserves all the data necessary to recreate your template accurately on another site. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Elementor template. You can now upload it to another website or keep it as a backup. Remember, being organized with these files will pay off, especially if you plan to reuse them in various projects. Keep in mind that you can import this JSON file into any other site where you have Elementor installed, allowing your creativity and hard work to travel far and wide. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now ready to manage your Elementor designs more efficiently. Don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy designing!